This beautiful chain watch right here is the Green Lion Signature Smartwatch, which I bought for 40,000 naira and is about $50 right now. In this video, I'll be unboxing it and doing a quick review of the watch. This smartwatch comes in a well-packaged green and white color box. As you can see from the box, it comes with an extra silicone strap. It offers 15 days standby time, and on the back of the box, some of its features are boldly outlined on it, like the blood pressure measurement, sleep monitoring, activity tracking, heart rate, blood oxygen. It has voice assistant, call or social notifications, music control, and so many others. Once opened, you will first behold the smartwatch with other accessories beneath it. You will get an extra silicone strap as written on the box. The strap is soft and smooth and at the same time strong enough to make it durable. Also inside the box is the USB watch cable for charging the watch, and then the user manual, which contains all the information and instructions on how to set up and use the watch. My first impression of this watch is how elegant this smartwatch is. The chain strap is made of stainless steel. This watch has a 1.43-inch Super AMOLED display and an always-on function, which offers high-definition clarity, enhancing your viewing experience. It has a dual Bluetooth 5.2 and 3.2 compatibility. You can easily connect and even make calls right from the watch. The multiple sports mode features ensures you are always up for any activity. It tracks your workouts and health metrics with precision. This watch is also IP68 rated and it's compatible with both iOS and Android devices. Because of the bold face and the strap, I wouldn't recommend this watch for ladies unless if you like bold watches like this. You can also watch this video here to compare this signature smartwatch with the Infinite smartwatch, another round face smartwatch made by the same brand. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.